Video recording you now.
QSO, you are at about an S2, but only a small amount of noise. I'm at low 3, so it should be about 120 watts radiated power. Should be about 60 watts effective radiated power, about 60 watts effective radiated power. Go ahead,
I take it you're back in your house?
Negative. I'm sitting in the mobile behind my house. I just jumped in the mobile real quick. Were you able to copy my other transmissions on my portable, or was it just not making it? Over.
You were barely making it. There was one great contact where you came in at an S1, and that's where I gave you the 4.3 report. You were coming in really well. I wish I had a recording of that.
Yeah, QSO. I was in one very specific spot. I think it was all location. Unfortunately, the handheld that I was using is very susceptible to intermod, and you were just getting blasted by it at several points. But this radio that I'm on right now, this is a different transceiver, and it's a lot more resistant to intermod. How's the audio sounding? Over.
Sounds fine. I'll post a sample of this to the Slack page. You get to hear it for yourself. Actually, you're very comparable to when you had the handheld, believe it or not.
Yeah,